Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite. Today we are going to see another scholarship sponsored by Colgate Keep India Link Foundational Scholarship Program for BDS course. Many students are asking me, sir, any scholarship is there available for medical and allied branches? So here I am going to uh, upload today Colgate Keep India Smiling Foundational Scholarship Program for BDS course. Similar one I am going to try for Unani, homeopathy, because medical most of the scholarships are there, but BDS, pharmacy, then Unani, Ayurveda, there are the few scholarships are there on which I am going to make the video in subsequent once I get a time from my college hours, because nowadays I'm busy in NAT process is going on in our college. So in a busy tool, whenever I get a free time, I'll be go and make the videos for these particular scholarship program. I am Dr. Sajid Ondekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKIs, Pune College, Arts, Commerce, Science, Camp, Pune, Maharashtra, India. I have been working in this college last 34 years. 20 years I work as a NCC officer, retired as a lieutenant commander rank, and 10 years I work as a scholarship in charge. And in my capacity, 30 student has got 100% scholarship to pursue their higher education in Turkey, universities in Turkey. And myself visited the Turkey for 12 days in 2012, and I visited around 10 universities and interact with their directors and all. And these students which are there, they are from ground tone families whose income is 1 lakh, less than 1 lakh, 2 lakh or 3 lakhs. Now one of the student has gone for higher education, that is the PhD program in electrical engineering, PhD in electrical engineering. So these student has done their graduation in engineering field, science field, arts field with B.Ed and got the jobs in Turkey as well as in India. This is what we have the background, and today I'm going to request all the viewers try to understand whatever the criteria are there, what are the documents are there, and try to pass on this message. Whether you are the eligible, then well and good. If you are not doing this course, but you have been visited my site and seeing this video, I request you to create awareness among your family friends, your friend circle, and those needy students who has got admission in BDS. For them, you can offer that this is one of the scholarship is there. You can go on the portal and apply for the scholarship. That is a very important one. So might be in the next year I might be not going to prepare for 21 and 22. So this will be a base. So those students are there, make this as a base, and from there they have to plan. Those who are there in 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, or 11th or 12th standard, their parents and the students has to plan out that this will be one of the scholarship is there, and they have to note down in their diaries if we are going for this particular course, this scholarship is there. If you're going for engineering, what scholarship is there? So this is the way the planning has to be made before you're going for that particular admission. 1 or 2 years before you have to make the plan. No need hurriedly that once you get the admission, then you go on searching. Don't make that mistake. You have to make in advance whatever the necessary things which are there for your scholarship. The Keep India Smiling Foundational Scholarship Program for BDS course, and this will be given by the Colgate, and the last date is February 28th midnight is the last date for this particular scholarship. So every year you can make that in the February. That will be the ending date, and it will be announced around I think December or something, November end it will be announced. So main motto of this particular scholarship is there. This Colgate India want to give a support for the needy students, deserving, meritorious students to pursue or complete their higher education and their dreams. And not only this, they are going to give as a support in the form of the scholarship. They also give the focus on their mentorship and career guidance. So these are the things which will be given. And this scholarship is also given for education purpose, sportsmen and individual helping others. So that scholarship we are going to announce in separately. So today we have been only focusing on BDS. First we'll see what will be the eligibility for the BDS course. He has to pass the 12th board examination from recognized institute in 2020, not in 2090 or 2080. He has to pass in the current year and he has to score minimum 60% marks in 12th board examination. Second one, very important, he has to enroll for BDS, that is the Bachelor for Dental Surgery program in India, and the annual income should be less than 5 lakh rupees. So those students' family income is less than 5 lakh rupees and he has got admission through the admission process and who has secured 12 standard 60% mark, but NEET he is having a good marks. And what he is going to get the benefit from here, he is going to get the 30,000 per year for next 4 years. Now for this, what are the documents are required? The first one, passport size photograph. The second important document will be there. Valid ID proof is required, either in the form of Aadhaar card or driving license or voter ID or the PAN card. Any one of the ID proof is required, which is a valid one. Next one, income proof. That is a very, very important. He has to produce the income certificate or BPL certificate or food security certificate or any certificate of income issued by the competent authorities. Normally, this will be given by the Tahsildar. So depending upon the villages, different parts. So who is going to give you this certificate? That should be the competent authorities. In addition, he has to give the latest marks. So in current year, he has passed out the 12th standard. He has to give the 12th standard mark sheet where he has taken the admission, fee receipt or admission letter or college ID card or bona fide certificate. Any one of it will be one is the required. Entrance examination, NEET examination. Here you have to give the NEET examination result. All these you have to upload now. So high density scan, you have to do the documents and the original documents will be required at the time once you have been selected and before or after once the scholarship is disbursed, they are going to verify. If you are a disability is there, any disability is there, whether less than 40% or more than 40%, you have to produce the disability certificate from the competent authorities. Now the next important one is the terms and condition for the BDS examination. Yes, BDS course. This Colgate Keep India Smiling foundational scholarship is been sponsored by Colgate Palmolive India, and this will be the first year. It will be from April 3rd April 2020 to 28th February 2021. For this particular period, for the Indians, they are giving this particular scholarship, and those who are comes under the weaker section, less than income 5 lakhs, these students can apply for these scholarships. So whatever the norms which have been put forth, they have to see, carefully read out, the time to time they have to check out and carefully fill the forms. All the categories which are there, they have to be correctly fill eligibility criteria, entitlement of the scholarship. So he has in the BDS, so only he has to fill the BDS application. No need to make the another one. That may be the mistake. You don't see on the top, but you are typing everything. But now small mistake may reject your form. So they are not responsible. If anything has been made mistake from your side, the Colgate Keep India Smiling Foundational Scholarship will not be responsible for your rejection of your form. They will not make any correspondence with those who has not shortlisted. But those who are shortlisted for this scholarship, Colgate Palmolive, that is the Keep India Smiling Foundational Scholarship, group or their franchises which partner which is there, they will be approached and they will be verified the whatever the documents which have been uploaded and they verify, and if anything has been fake has been found in between in 1 year, second year or third year, then your this scholarship will be cancelled and whatever the amount has been disbursed, that has been taken back. So be careful, don't give any fake one. That is a very, very important one. And whatever, once the list has been approved, everyone will be binding. So company, once they made, because everyone, every part of the India will be apply for this one. So once you feel that you are eligible for the scholarship because all the criteria are exactly matching, but what is happening? There will be all India level merit list will be done, and based on the merit, cutout will be made out, and those selected one they will be approached by them, and those who are not been selected, no need to make them to be make correspondence with them, or due to negligence also, if your form is rejected, they will not going to make out. They are completely have the reserves. What they are mentioned here, the Colgate reserves the right in its sole discretion to the fullest extent permitted by the law to reject or disqualify any application or subject to any written directions from a regulatory authority to modify, suspend, terminate, or cancel scholarship, or to change the program, based learning, and appropriate. So they have been clearly mentioned. Yes, here also then if you are given any false statement, your the scholarship will be cancelled and they will be disbursed whatever the amount is there taken back. The second one, a very important one will be there, that once you have been selected for them from the company will not be made a mandatory that you have to use their products. They are not been made a compulsory. The second one, on the regular interval, they are going to check your progress, how you are going to progress the semester to the semester. If you fail, you are not going to get the scholarship for the next consecutive year. So the modify or withdrawn or cancel, that will be based on your monitor, how they are going to monitor and how your performing is there, that will be done. So the candidate will does not commit to employ. That is very important. Once you get the 4-year successful scholarship, we don't be understood presume that the Colgate India will give you a employment. Yes, no. Here आपको कोई गारंटी नहीं दी जा रही कोलगेट की तरफ से कि भी आपको 4 साल के बाद आपको कोलगेट तरफ से जॉब दिया जाएगा, नहीं. और यहाँ पर रजिस्ट्रेशन, यस, देयर इज नो चार्जेस फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन और एप्लीकेशन फी. नो परचेस ऑफ कोलगेट प्रोडक्ट इज मैंडेटरी, ये भी क्लियर किया है कंपनी के तरफ से. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन, कोलगेट रिजर्व द राइट व्हाट use the photograph profile of the scholarship applicants and beneficiary for use for publication use or disclosure or for communication purpose with stakeholder. यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि भी कंपनी के स्टेक होल्डर्स है, इनका हक है कि भी पूछने के लिए कि भी 3% की स्कॉलरशिप आपने किसको किसको दी है. उस वक्त में आपके फोटोग्राफ्स, आपकी प्रोफाइल, आपके बेनिफिशियरी के लिए फ्यूचर पब्लिकेशन के लिए या डिस्क्लोजर जो है ये कम्युनिकेशन पर्पस स्टेक होल्डर के साथ शेयर किया जाएगा. कंपनी आपके फोटोज या आपका प्रोफाइल यूज कर सकता है कॉर्पोरेट ब्रोचर्स के लिए. उनके वेबसाइट पे आपके फोटोग्राफ्स आ सकते हैं, सोशल मीडिया में आर्चिव्स और मटेरियल पब्लिसिटी के लिए यूज किया जाएगा. ये यहाँ पर मॉनेटरी कॉम्पनसेशन पेएबल टू एनीवन और विदाउट एनी रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी, ये आपको नहीं दिया जाएगा. कोलगेट विल बी नॉट लायबल होल्ड लैक ऑफ लैप्स. आप फॉर्म भर रहे लास्ट डे पे और इमीडिएट लाइट चले गई या आपका इंटरनेट चलेगा, कुछ भी हो गया या किसी भी पर्पज से, जैसा कि यहाँ पर दिया इन्होंने, डिले ऑफ इंटरनेट, टेलीकॉम, एसएमएस, ईमेल, सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, किसी की तरफ से भी गलती हो तो आपका फॉर्म अगर रिजेक्ट फुल कंप्लीट नहीं होता है तो कोलगेट उसके लिए लायबल नहीं रहेगा, नॉट अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल। और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट यहाँ पर एम्प्लॉइज, कोलगेट पॉपुलर के एम्प्लॉइज या उनके एफिलिएट्स और या उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स ये इस स्कॉलरशिप के लिए एलिजिबल नहीं रहेंगे, ये पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर सकते हैं इसके अंदर। दैट इज ऑल्सो क्लियर। और जो भी डिसीजन रहेगा, फाइनल डिसीजन कि सिलेक्शन का, तो इनका फाइनल रहेगा, वो सब पर बाइंडिंग रहेगा। और डिस्प्यूट जो भी रहेगा, डिस्प्यूट विल बी अंडर द जुडिशन ऑफ द कोर्ट ऑफ मुंबई। मुंबई में जो भी कोर्ट रहेगा, यहाँ पर भी रहेगा डिस्प्यूट, वहां पर रहेगा। अभी यहाँ पर और एक बार टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन में उन्होंने दिया है कि भी आप लोगों को क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपलोड करने हैं। पासपोर्ट साइज फोटोग्राफ, वैलिड आईडी प्रूफ, आइदर आधार कार्ड, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस, वोटर आईडी, पैन कार्ड, इनकम प्रूफ आपको सबमिट करना है। इसमें से कोई भी एक चलेगा, इनकम सर्टिफिकेट या बीपीएल सर्टिफिकेट चलेगा, फूड सिक्योरिटी सर्टिफिकेट चलेगा, या एनी वन ऑफ द सर्टिफिकेट इशूड बाय कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी। जो भी आपको, आपने जिससे भी इनकम सर्टिफिकेट लिया हुआ है कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी से, वो चलेगा। 10th की मार्कशीट रहेगी, 12th की मार्कशीट रहेगी, 10th का बोर्ड सर्टिफिकेट रहेगा, 12th का बोर्ड सर्टिफिकेट रहेगा, ये सब आपको अपलोड करना है। इसके अलावा जहां पर आपने एडमिशन लिया है बीडीएस के फर्स्ट ईयर में, उसकी फी रिसीट या एडमिशन लेटर या कॉलेज आईडी या बोनाफाइड, इसी में से कोई भी एक चलेगा। एंट्रेंस रिजल्ट, नीट का रिजल्ट लगेगा। अगर आप फिजिकल डिसेबल है तो आपका डिसेबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट लगेगा। और ये सब जितने भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स है आपको स्कैन करने, हाई डेंसिटी में, हाई रेजोल्यूशन में, और इनको अपलोड करना है। और अपलोड करना है आपको https://colgate-cares.co.in/get-started.html। ये साइट है कंपनी की, ये साइट पे जाके आपको आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है। अगर आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है तो इस वक्त आपने अपना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हुए आपने अपने स्कॉलरशिप का पोर्टल, कोई भी स्कॉलरशिप का पोर्टल ले लो और उस पोर्टल पे जाके वहां पर आपने अपना अकाउंट बनाओ, रजिस्टर करो। और वंस अकाउंट आपने रजिस्टर किया, वहां से आप स्कॉलरशिप, सभी स्कॉलरशिप्स को आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो। मोर बडीज है या फिर स्कॉलरशिप करियर्स है, बहुत सारे यहाँ पर जो है पोर्टल्स है, स्कॉलरशिप पोर्टल। जस्ट आप गूगल में सर्च करो स्कॉलरशिप पोर्टल्स, वहां पर भी डिटेल्स मिलेगी आपको। और वहां पर आप रजिस्टर करो थ्रू योर ईमेल आईडी, मोबाइल आईडी या फेसबुक या गूगल से। अगर वंस आपने कर लिया तो 4 साल के लिए आप अपना नंबर, ईमेल आईडी कोई भी चेंज मत करिए, कंटिन्यू रखिए, ताकि आपको कंटिन्यूटी रहेगी, सपोर्ट रहेगा इस स्कॉलरशिप के सिलसिले में। आई होप दिस इज क्लियर। जो जरूरतमंद है वो तो अप्लाई करेगा, जो आज देख रहा है वीडियो वो अगर एलिजिबल है इस स्कॉलरशिप के लिए तो वो अप्लाई करेगा। मगर नहीं भाई, आपने जस्ट अवेयरनेस के लिए देखा है, तो आपको मैं चाहूंगा कि भी आप इस स्कॉलरशिप को मैक्सिमम लोगों तक पहुंचाए, ताकि ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चे इसमें स्कॉलरशिप को अप्लाई कर सके। और आने वाले पिछले जो बच्चे अभी 10th में हैं या 11th में हैं या 12th अभी पढ़ रहे हैं, इन बच्चों को आप ये बोल सकते हैं कि भी ये स्कॉलरशिप है बीडीएस के लिए, तो आप इस स्कॉलरशिप को जा सकते हैं। आई होप दिस इज क्लियर, यू एंजॉय माय वीडियो। थैंक यू फॉर विजिटिंग एंड यू हैव अ नाइस डे।